Hey guys, Mystery Wheel Gunner here. This is my unofficial entry into the Bloke on the Ranges 1 minute all day challenge. This is my unofficial entry because the official rules call for a rifle to be used. I will be using a revolver because I'm the Mystery Wheel Gunner, not the Mystery Rifleman. It is a Smith & Wesson Model 629 competitor from the Performance Center. The optic is a Vortex Venom with a 3 MOA dot. So yeah, I'm kind of setting myself up for a bit of a challenge. So I'm looking for a 1 MOA, but I've got a 3 MOA dot. Let's see what the results are going to be. So according to the rules, I'll be shooting at 50 yards, and I have to turn in a 10-shot group. This should be interesting. Warning, I am a notoriously slow shooter. If you get bored, feel free to make judicious use of the scrub bar. Thank you. I'm here at the range for the 1 MOA all-day challenge, my unofficial entry since I'll be using a revolver, not a rifle. Minimum distance for the challenge is 50 yards, so I'm here at the 50-yard short lane for pistols. Well, here's the results. Not looking too good. If it was just this group here, that looks great. But, whoa, yeah. Got some vertical stringing there going on. My windage is great, left, right. But, yeah, got some vertical stringing. So, I don't have my calipers here with me. But it's looking like a 3.5 MOA group. But I'll see when I get home. But obviously, no, was not successful on the 1 MOA challenge. Okay, here's a snapshot of the target and my calipers. Yeah, I know, bloke on the range said that we should use that Ballistic X program because, hey, he doesn't trust himself with calipers. Why should he trust us with our calipers? Point well taken. But Ballistic X costs money and I am cheap. So you'll just have to contend with my caliper work. And besides, this is an unofficial entry because I used a revolver, not a rifle. Anyway, 2.6985. We'll just round that off to 2.7. Yeah, I did not meet the 1 MOA challenge. Hey, I gave it my best though, and considering that I was working with a 3 MOA dot, this is kind of what could be expected, right? Anywho, yes, those are rubber bands on the battery cover because I'm an idiot and I lost the screws. Oh, and if you're wondering why the target suddenly has extra tears in it right now, well, after I did the MOA challenge, I left it up on there and I was plinking around on the steel targets that flanked this target. And yeah, it ended up getting some rips and tears from bullet splash.